Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix sponsor request lists reach on Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there are going to be a few things that you could do here to probably fix this issue. So one of them is to use a parent or guardian, or you could just wait until you're 18. The standard practice is to have a parent or guardian as your sponsor or wait until you reach the age of 18. So this ensures compliance with Cash App's policies regarding sponsorships. Another thing you could do here is to wait and resend requests. Now, if you reach the request limit, waiting for a week and then sending another request to your sponsor is an option. So this allows time for the request limit to reset, enabling you to proceed with the sponsorship process. One thing you could do here is to consider account deletion and recreation. If you're unwilling to wait another week, you can choose to delete your current Cash App account and create a new one using the same phone number. However, ensure you understand the implications of this action, such as losing transaction history and other account data. And finally, transfer ownership. Remember, the last sponsor listed on the account legally owns it and has the authority to close it and transfer the funds to you directly. If they agree, this could be a valuable option to resolve the issue swiftly. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.